What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new update on Space ID and the ID token. To my surprise, there were actually still a lot of people who requested it, and I know I covered Space ID a lot during its massive bull run earlier last month. So yeah, I mean, I'll do an update on it. For now, we haven't been that bullish for a while now. Last 24 hours have not been bullish either. What you'll see is that in terms of the trend, the volume is still dropping down actually. I think we are now at volume levels that were as low as like the 30th of April, which was right here when we had this massive drop. So it's not ideal. The hype really does seem to have parted from Space ID. However, I do think there are still some opportunities to get some sort of a rally. Of course, Wednesday we got a small rally. And in the end, the only thing that led to was a bearish confirmation because we just found resistance at the 236 fib with the 100 EMA. So it's not ideal, the situation for ID now, but there are some different scenarios which we will talk about in which we could actually get some sort of a rally. So that in combination with that this was requested quite a bit is the main reason for why I wanted to make this analysis. Now, before we get into Space ID, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Now onto Space ID. So we're actually finding like support like this. The last time we found support like this was not too long ago, like the beginning of May. But this time around, it looks a bit stronger. All right, we're finding support at this level right here between 46.5 cents and 58.5 cents, excuse me, and 56.5 cents. That's our main support now. And just to be fair with you, I think in the end, the most likely scenario is that we'll break down below 56 and 56.5, and that we will drop down to 53 and 52.5. That's our next support level. At this point of time, if you're just realistically looking at the price, like on the 1 hour time frame, it's clear. On the 4 hour time frame, it's even clearer. We're just bearish, and what you need right now is a very strong support level. Now 58 cents is relatively strong. However, we also kind of exhausted that level already a little bit with that small rally the 3rd of May. So it's not as strong as you'd like, and apart from that, what you can also see on the 4 hour time frame, but you can see it even better on the 1 hour time frame, we had a bearish break retest off of 58.5 cents. So there's still bearish momentum even though we're at that support level. So I would say this is the most likely scenario, all right? Just to be honest with you, that's what I think. However, there's because it is technically a strong level, if you kind of forget about the fact that we already kind of rallied from it, there is it is quite strong. So there's this possibility that we can have a bit more bullish momentum from here. But I would have to be honest with you, I think like the maximum we can get to at this point of time is this area around 64 cents. So can we get there? Sure. Is it going to be easy and likely? No. Because what we would need to do is we would first of all need to break above 59 cents. And then from there, actually start to create higher lows. All right, so there's this kind of, I would say this trend line right here, perhaps. What we would need to do is after breaking above 59 cents, we would need to, we would find resistance at around 61 cents. And then from there, we would need to kind of follow that trend line, create higher lows. And if we can actually do that over the course of like 3-4 days, and then we can have that bullish breakout. And the moment we break above 61 cents, we're going up to 64. So that's the main bullish scenario. Now, as I said, I do not expect it. But now at least you know when looking at the price, when there actually will be a possibility and probability that it will happen. But yeah, like I said, that's my full analysis on ID. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.